Hey guys, today I'm going to give you 5 tips on how to do your laundry in Southeast Asia. The problem is that a lot of the rooms here only have a washing machine and no dryer. So I'm going to give you 5 tips on how to do your laundry yourself and keep your clothes smelling fresh and clean. Okay, tip number 1, get yourself the best liquid detergent that you can find that has antibacterial properties. You want everything to be gone in terms of bacteria because that's what makes your clothes stink. You're going to leave your clothes sweaty, dirty in the hamper for a day or two or whatever, it's going to smell. So liquid detergent, the regular one that you're used to, is not strong enough. You need antibacterial. Look for this logo, double check the back to make sure, because a lot of this is in Thai and sometimes they'll have the English here, so you can see it definitely has bacterial killer. But definitely get that. You need that, mandatory. Okay, now on to tip number 2. When you're doing regular laundry, pick what you're ever setting that fits your needs. So you have cotton, synthetics. And the thing here is that you're going to use the temperature. Use whatever that works with the load that you're putting in. So usually 30 is the best. You could bump it up to 40 if you need to. Don't go any higher than that for just cotton and synthetics. But here's the tip really for number 2 is that when you do your towels are a different story. Towels are they need more. The antibacterial killing properties of the liquid detergent is not enough. So if you want fresh smelling towels, you're going to use Sanitize. Sanitize, and look at the temperature. It's 95. So that's going to kill everything. Your towels are gonna smell like brand new. So do that. Okay, tip number 3 is the towel rack. This you got to pick up at Home Pro, or you can pick this up at Robinson Department Store, Central Department Store. But let me unfold this and you'll see how this looks. So here's the towel rack. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beams to hang your towels, but you're going to use this not only for towels, you're going to use this for your shirts and any other clothes you want to hang on there. Okay, now the towel rack is full. So I've used this here for my cotton t-shirts. If there's still room, I'll put the synthetic ones here that dry pretty quickly. Now tip number 4 is this guy. You need to go buy one of these. Super important. Let me load this up. So what I use this for is for my socks and underwear. Okay, I've got this all loaded up now. I've got my underwear and socks hanging there. So what I do next is hook this on right here to the side. And you can see how it just hangs there perfectly. So you got your t-shirts, socks and underwear, and then the next thing you do is bring it outside to the balcony. And that's pretty much it. So you've got your clothes gonna dry out here. It takes maybe like 6 hours, 8 hours, depending on how hot it is. Right now it's kind of the evening, so if I put this out early in the morning, like around 9 or 10, it'll probably be done about this time of the day, which is about 4 or 5 o'clock. But this is another thing that you need to keep in mind that people don't think about when they're renting a place, is that not every room has a balcony. So what you'll end up doing is having the same setup and having your clothes dry indoors, which takes even longer. Okay, so for the 5th and final tip is leave this open. Don't close it. Let the washing machine completely dry out. And you want to do that. So if you have multiple loads, then it doesn't matter, right? You're going to finish your multiple loads. But then in the days in between, you want to leave this open so it dries out inside and it doesn't have any of that funky, musky, bacterial smell that'll go onto your clothes, even if you wash them well with liquid detergent. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you learned a few things. These are from my experiences here from living in Thailand for a long time. That if you want to have fresh smelling clothes, follow my steps and you'll thank me later.